SRT rim package on it. Another SRT. The detail on the rim on this one, I like that right there. This is nice right here. I wanted to ask dude some questions about that Monte Carlo SS. But if the hood is down, he must got a little 305 in there. If he had that LS motor, that thing would definitely be popped. This one is hard though. Detail under the hood, real nice. Alright, me and Chase is out here at they had this car show every Saturday. I'm in Canton, Ohio, at Meyers Lake Plaza. And it's kind of like it's like a car meet. More so than a car show. As you see, we got an old school Dodge Mopar pulling in. Pretty nice. I mean, you got a mixture of different type of cars out here too. You got old schools. You got some rides, like some kit cars and stuff. You got some newer Dodge Chargers out here, which we're gonna get over here and look at these real quick in a second too. But got some of these out here. We're gonna go this way though. Which one? The green car? Chase said he can drive that green car. It's like a Nissan Dodge or something. Nice Hemi. Old school small block right here. This is a 64. It got see them plates right there? Them is historical plates, so that means the car is a classic. You can get them after your car is about, I think, in Ohio, I think after 20 years, it's a classic. Small block, pretty clean. It's an Impala. Don't get too close to it. We don't want to get nobody upset. Nice interior though, it's clean on the inside. Real clean. I used to love these cars back in the day, like the Snoop, Dr. Dre era, the 6'4" Impala. That's nice, classic. I wonder what that is inside of there though. I know it's a small block, but it's probably like a 350, I'm guessing. Could be stroked out. Got a nice set of headers on there too. There's just a couple switch rides out here. How you doing? Some vintage Oldsmobiles. I when they brought the T-Bird back. That wasn't that long ago. Vintage Oldsmobile. This is an Oldsmobile. That's a Super 88. Then they're making the Delta 88. I always love the body style of these like cars right here too. This is like a bomb. That's what I call them, bombs right there. Remind me of the old like Cholo, like the Chicano style cars. We're gonna make our way down here. I seen a Monte Carlo SS when I first came in though. And there's a Nova right there. Double pumper on the high-rise intake on it. That thing is pretty nice right there too. Watch out. Come on, let's go around this way. And there's another Nova too. But this one, I like this one. That gold color on it.
I would turn into nothing.
Oh yeah, this thing right here is nice. It's mean. Clean car. Look how straight it is down the side. This is a Chevy Nova.
It's a Chevy?
It's a Chevy. Yep. Old school Chevy. Old school Chevy. Come this way. Clean on the inside. Nice chrome work under it. Hood. Double pumper on the top. It's nice. What year is this? 70. Nice car. I love it. I love it. Nice 1970 Nova. We got a Cadillac right here. Old school Cadillac. And then we got another Nova SS right here. And I think this thing may go on the track. It got the road, see how I got the cage on the inside? Yeah. Big tires tubbed in the back. Definitely it's racing. Nice. Them two Novas is about the same year. Now this is what we all been waiting for. This is the car I got. I got one of these. Yeah, but mine is. Oh, you never seen my Monty SS? I had to take you. No, it's at the shop getting worked on. I had to take you over there one day. This is clean though. For quite some time.
Like a year?
Nah, a little longer.
5 years?
No, not 5 years. 2 years. This thing is clean. Nice. Straight body on him. It's starting to rain a little bit. Straight body on him. No waves in it.
I see Olsen out here one.
Clean interior. Clean dash.
I think that's a Ferrari or a Bugatti.
Which one? The black one?
No, yeah, the black ones, but
It's a Corvette.
No,
Right there?
the other one near the red car.
Yeah, it's a Corvette. That's a Corvette.
Bugatti.
Let's go check out these Challengers real quick.
Are Challengers like race cars?
Yeah, I mean, you know, they muscle cars too. The newer the Challenger and the Charger always been muscle cars. Ford Galaxy. Nice old school Chevy truck. That's nice. I can't wait.
Hella gas.
And maybe before the end of the summer, we'll at least be able to be out here raggedy.
No, I did not. I told my company.
That's a big dog. See? Big dog. Alright, so this is a pretty nice, we got a Hellcat over here. Right. Got a cat over here. SRT rim package on it. Nice guts. Man, these cars is bad. That's a nice color on that too. I like that. Wide body kit. I mean, of course it's the Hellcat, so I got the wide body on it. Supercharged. Yeah, it's got a Hemi. That's nice. Another SRT Hellcat. Cold air intake by Flowmaster. Detail under the hood. Real nice. Same wheel package kit. Another SRT. Man. Oh, he got the slicks on the back of this one and on the back of both of them got slicks on the back, so we know where they going. That green is nice too. Slicks on the back of him. I mean, you gotta put the right tires on the back of these to keep them on the ground. Keep them getting squirrely. Look at the detail on the rim on this one. I like that right there. The inside of the rim is painted. Did I miss any? No, I just missed the other ones. The inside of the rim of this one is painted lime green, just like the car. That's nice. Great detail. Look at the badge on it too. See how the badge is matching the brake caliper and the color of the car?
Yeah.
Then they went with the same scheme on the valve covers. Yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. Let's look at these ones down here. They brought the cats out today. Here go another one. This is nice. I love the detail under these cars, man.
Hey, this is like the other car we see.
Yeah. This is nice. Got the Brembro brake.
I really want to take a picture.
I like this.
of
This is
that.
clean.
I want to take a picture of this car.
Huh?
I want to take a picture of this car and make it my home.
You can. Watch out. Come this way. Got another one pulling in. This is got the Hellcat badges on it. And this purple is nice too. Yeah.
He only run like 7 or 8 pounds.
This is nice right here.
I don't know. I don't want to take the chance. I don't want to buy a motor.
Brought the cats
Build the whole
out.
thing with what I want. Especially when I can.
This is a regular Hemi though, but he's still clean. Looking nice. Now this is 2000. This one is a little older than the other ones. I want to say. Let me look at the back before I say that. Yeah, this is a year like I had. These ones are still nice though. Like then they upgraded the wheels on it. Nice car. They brought the cats out. What y'all think about these cats though, man? I mean, pretty nice cars. Out of all of them, I like the purple. I mean, I like all of them. All of them is nice. They got the aftermarket headlight design in the front with the halos. LED halos. How you doing? All right. I think this one is real clean. I like that. I like the detail on the rims on this one. As you see, it got the halos, aftermarket halos in it. They glowing on that one too.
One of these ones is yours, the blue one?
Purple is nice. This one is hard though. I love this one though. I love this blue. Yeah, I love the blue. See the blue, he got the wide body kit on it. That's the catcher for me, is the wide body kit on this one. Yeah. Look at the stance on it. That's mean. It's a mean stance right there. What else is out here that we really want to see? I wanted to ask dude some questions about that Monte Carlo SS. But if the hood is down, he must got a little 305 in there. If he had that LS motor, that thing would definitely be popped. It's a clean Chevelle SS over there. Come on, watch out. Now he watching YouTube videos of whatever. Who knows what he watching? A Minecraft video. Here's a 5.0 Stang. That's pretty cool. You gotta watch where you're going because you're walking in front of me. 5.0 Stang. It was something down this way that I wanted to actually go take a look at real quick. It's the Ford section. Got them ponies out. I was a pony once upon a time. That's about it though. One too many other. Come on, we're going this way to the truck. One too many other cars out here this week that I really wanted to get online. Them Hellcats was crazy though. So yeah, that's about all I wanted to get online right now. And stay tuned, man. We're gonna be hold on. Stay tuned, man, for more to see. We're gonna be going to a lot of car meets next week. Next video I'll bring y'all be next week. I'll be going to the track. We're going out to the drag strip, get some cars on camera out there, talk to a couple guys out of the track, see a couple cars run, see what they do, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Tap in. Mamadi, this is the Super Sport Kid channel. Make sure y'all hit that like, share. Make sure y'all tell me what y'all want to see. If y'all got any ideas, if y'all got any meets in my area, if you're in the Ohio area, y'all got any car shows coming up, hit me up. I definitely make trip and come check y'all out. And I'll be back with more updates of the Monte Carlo SS real soon.